Hello everybody, this is my capstone research proposal presentation. My name is Tracy Freeman. So my topic to research is strategies to relieve mathematic anxiety among primary students. My research questions are, my central question is what strategies are being used by teachers to ease mathematic anxiety among students? And my sub-questions are how are teachers designing instruction to assist math-anxious students? And what do math-anxious students experience when solving math problems, working with numbers, etc.? So I will be using a mixed method research design. I will gather both quantitative and qualitative data, combine it, and use that to better explain and understand my research problem. So in the first phase, I will gather quantitative data from an online questionnaire with elementary teachers. I will then conduct interviews, which will give me my qualitative data. The interviews will consist of open-ended questions that'll give kind of more of a personal experience and explanation in addition to the quantitative data. I'm going to follow the convergent research design that is discussed in the Creswell text, basically taking the quantitative and qualitative data, the results, merging these results for a comparison, and then using that to explain or interpret any convergence or divergence I see to help better understand math anxiety and any strategies that are being used or see that they're not being used at all. So this is important now because Common Core state standards are implemented and they are preparing our students to be college and career ready in math and English language arts. The standards are creating critical thinking, problem solving, and analytical skills that students need in today's world. However, the problem with that is that students with math anxiety suffer from a mental block when they are dealing with numbers or math, which leads to an overall avoidance of math for years to come. For example, they take less math classes in high school and college, which leads them to avoid careers that are number-based and math-based, anything from being a waitress to being a doctor or an accountant. Math is all around us, so this leads me to, I want to find strategies to ease mathematic anxiety in elementary school. I want to start young. That way we can avoid the avoidance of math for years to come, and our students are not feeling anxious or stressed anytime math comes around to them. So I can use my research to inform my future practice in a couple of ways. I can design instruction in my own classroom with math-anxious students in mind. I can use the effective strategies that I will find that can help relieve the stress for the students. I can also take these strategies and integrate them into other subjects that students struggle with and just try to help students not fear not only core subjects, but all subjects altogether, math, science, art, anything. I want to integrate these strategies and create as least of a stressful environment as I can. So thank you for watching my presentation, and I look forward to hearing feedback and watching all of yours. Thank you.